This for class 7 physics, the second question on speed. This question you can find it in your textbook. A car travels a distance of 15 km in 20 minutes. Find the speed of the car in km per hour and then in meter per second. So here time is given in minutes, whereas they are asking us to find it in hours. So given s equals to 15 km, distance equals to 15 km, time t equals to 20 minutes, which I need to convert into hours. As you all know, 1 minute has 1 upon 60 hour. So 20 minutes will have 1 upon 60 into 20, which is 1 upon 3 hour. Again, I am supposed to find the value of speed using the formula for speed. V equals to distance upon time, which is s upon t, will give me further v equals to 15 km upon 1 upon 3 hour. So I have just replaced the value of s and t in the equation, in the formula. So again, v equals to 15 km into 3 upon 1 hour. I have to reciprocal the denominator. So therefore v equals to 15 into 3, which is 45 km per hour. This is the answer for the first part. Now the second part, I have to convert this answer in meter per second, as we have read in the question. So how to convert? So we have just convert this kilometer into meter and this hour into seconds. So the given speed is 45 km per hour, and then when we need to convert, so that will be equals to 45 into 1000 meter, because 1 kilometer has 1000 meter and 1 hour has 60 into 60 seconds, that is 3600 seconds. So when we cancel it, by 2 5 is 10 and 2 3 is 6, so further multiplying, I am getting 45 into 5 upon 3 into 6, 18 meter per second. So here I haven't touched 45 because when we are converting the units, I'm getting a fraction. Right now I'm getting 5 upon 18 when I need to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. So now after this question, suppose we come across any question like conversion of the units, we can simply multiply the given number in the question by a fraction. This time the fraction happens to be 5 upon 18 because we are converting kilometer per hour into meter per second. But if you want to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, I'll just reciprocal the fraction, which I have done in question number 3 and 4. So again 45 into 5 upon 18 meter per second. So 45 into 5, I am getting 225 upon 18. Now 225 upon 18, if you divide it, I am getting 12.5 meter per second. So this is number 2. So now we can move to question number 3, which I have done here. So question number 3 reads as express 36 km per hour into meter per second in meter per second. Now listen, in the previous sum, in number 2, what I have done is I have converted kilometer into meter and then hour into seconds. We don't have to do that again and again. Now we know that the fraction which we get is 5 upon 18. Now simply multiplying 36 km per hour or 36 by 5 upon 18, I can convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 36 into 5 upon 18, I can do the cancellation. 18 2 is 36, so 5 2 is 10. So the answer is 10 meter per second. Now going to the next question, which is the reverse of the question number 3, express 15 meter per second in kilometer per hour. So here given speed to us is 15 meter per second, and I need to convert it into kilometer per hour. So what I have done is I have multiplied this 15 by 18 upon 5. I have just reciprocal the previous fraction because we are reversing the process also. So 18 upon 5, I have cancelled these two numbers by 5. 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. So 3 into 18, I am getting 54 km per hour. So this is how we are supposed to do number 4. Now number 5. if you go through the question, how long a train will take to travel a distance of 200 kilometer with a speed of 60 kilometer per hour. So obviously we need to write the given things first, which is distance is 200 kilometer, speed is 60 kilometer per hour, and I'm supposed to find the time, how long a train will take. So here I have to use the formula for time, which is t equals to s upon v, t equals to s upon v, and then again replacing the values of s and v, which is distance and speed, I'm getting t equals to 200 kilometer upon 60 kilometer per hour. If you check the calculation, the kilometer and kilometer gets cancelled, 0 and 0 gets cancelled, and then simple cancellation by 2 to 3 times 6 and to 10 times 20, I'm getting the answer as 10 upon 3 hour, or I can simply change it into a improper fraction. If you want to change into hours and minutes, it's up to your wish. So this is how we have done number 5. Now the next question, which is number 6. In question number 6, this is the last question from chapter number 1. In question number 6, a boy travels with a speed of 10 meter per second for 30 minutes. Again, the time is not matching. Here speed is given in meter per second, the time is mentioned in second, whereas here time is given in minute. So how much distance does he travel? So v equals to 10 meter per second, which is speed equals to 10 meter per second, time equals to 30 minutes. Obviously I need to convert this 30 minutes into seconds, so I'm getting 30 into 60, which is 1800 seconds. So here 1800 seconds. Then using the formula for distance, which is distance equals to speed into time, so s equals to v into t, I just replace the values of v and t. So v becomes 10 meter per second multiplied by time becomes 1800. Second and second gets cancelled because the second in speed is in the denominator. So once they get cancelled, I have to multiply the numbers. So the number which is with me after multiplication will be 18,000 meter, or simply if I want to convert meter into kilometer, I'll just divide it by 1000. Hence I'm getting 18 kilometer as my answer. This is how we have done number 6. Regarding the numerical problems of chapter number 2, I'll make a new video on that and send it to you.